Joe?
Hi, Tyler.
What do we got here?
We got a AWE exhaust.
What's it going on?
C8.
C8 vet. Joe, I think that we were just discussing this. I think this is our first AWE system.
I've never seen this template before.
Yeah, that's
Putting
nice.
all the different exhausts in. We've done a lot of fab speeds.
A lot of fab speeds. A lot. What else have we? A lot of Corsa.
Yep.
I think this is our first AWE.
I think FI. Did we do one FI?
Probably.
Maybe? I can't remember. There's too many cars.
We've done a lot of C8s.
I've done a lot of exhaust and C8s. So the excited one to see what the AWE sounds like in comparison to the other ones.
Yep. And then we got a few other fun things for this too, right?
Yep. It's got a big wing instead of this little.
It's got a little duck bill
wing.
right now. Yeah.
Nothing crazy. Just a nice little factory wing.
Cool.
And then carbon fiber side skirts.
Sweet.
So put on a couple of those before. They're pretty easy. Got to do when the car's on the ground though.
Yep.
Besides that, it's time to tear it all apart.
Sweet. Let's get to it.
All right.
Joe?
Hey, Tyler.
How's it going?
It's going good.
The wing looks good.
Got the Corvette in, got the wing back on.
Yep.
I got to realign the tail lights, the tail pipes, and put the side canards on.
Cool. Sweet. Yeah, this is a cool wing.
Yeah,
It's like the bigger OEM one.
Yeah,
but
it's a little bit
bigger.
bigger.
Yeah.
And it's got a little more slots in here.
That's
It's a
cool.
little wider also to the body.
Yeah, it is.
It fits out really wide on the body.
Looks really nice.
That'll be real nice.
Well, we're still waiting to give him the cold start.
Yeah. She doesn't care about the copyright infringement.
Well-
She doesn't care about that part, so. Minor details. She likes blasting music. It makes the day go by.
We'll get it all tightened up and give them what they want.
All right.
Well, Joe, wings on, exhaust is on.
Yep.
How do you feel?
Good. It's a nice big old wing.
It's all there.
It's full body.
It's extended beyond the body.
Oh yeah. It's a big wing.
It is.
So let's give you the cold start.
Let's do it.
One eternity later.
Sounds good.
Definitely
Sounds
better
good.
than stock.
Definitely better than stock. I would love to hear like Fab Speed,
Yep.
AWE, Borla,
See
like
them
all
right
next to each other, you
see
know?
the
Yeah.
differences. Yeah. It's kind of hard to tell when you're hearing one
It
by
is.
itself, but it sounds real nice.
It
And,
does.
probably sound real good down the road with the crackles too.
Oh yeah.